So here's how to upload Canva designs to Google Drive. So first you want to open your browser and then head to canva.com and make sure you're logged into your account. And then you want to go to templates and select the template that you want to upload. So for example, this one. And then click on the three dots next to it and then click on share button. So after you customize the template, so for example, you want to change your photo and all the data that you need to change in here. And then you want to click on share again, and then click on see all options. And then you want to scroll down till you see Google Drive. So click on Google Drive and then click connect Google Drive and then connect to your Gmail account to use its Google Drive. Click continue and then click continue again. So I didn't grant it the required permissions. So you want to click continue and select all. Make sure you select all and then click continue again. And that should connect it to your Google Drive. Now for the file type, we want to select PDF and then click on save. Let's wait for it to save the file to our Google Drive. Now in the meantime, you can go to Google Drive website and then log into your account. Then once this process is done, you should see the file in your Google Drive. Now once the save process is completed, you can see on your Google Drive the file popped up, which is the blue and gray simple professional CV resume. So you can double click on it to see it or to see its content, and that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.